Maybe you love the way that Pitfire pots look. They're so beautiful, but you hate that they can't hold water. Don't worry, I have a fix for that. It is true that as a default, when you take out a Pitfire pot from the kiln, it is not entirely waterproof. That's the same thing with all low-fired pots, also ragu. Over the years, I have tried a lot of different sealants. You can buy sealants in pottery stores, but they typically don't seal the pot entirely. Some people also use sodium silicate. In the old days, people used to use milk, but although these methods does provide some sealant, they're not perfect. What I found is that very cheap concrete sealant that you can buy in most hardware stores actually do the job perfectly. If you want to learn more about Pitfire and get many more tips like this, please follow the link below to read more about my online Pitfire course. You'll get instant access to more than 45 video lessons that will teach you everything about Pitfire.